Let's start with dribbling violation.
Go.
This happens when a player takes more than one step without dribbling the ball. Next up is the double dribble.
Go.
This occurs when a player stops dribbling, then start dribbling again with the same hand. Next up is defensive foul. Kicking a player is a defensive foul. It's illegal contact and the other team gets free throw or the ball. Offensive foul.
Sige, play.
This happens when the player with the ball charges into a defender or push off. The ball goes to the other team.